Hello, this is Anish Anchan. In this video, we will see how to change the app name, adding ad placement and changing the app icon. So let's get started. First of all, go to resource, then go to values, string.xml. From here you can change the app name. If you want to add an email ID, you can add it from here. If you are thinking of publishing the app, you can replace this with your app link and this with the premium app link. Replace the placement ID of admob for banner, native and interstitial ad with your ID respectively. If you are testing the app performance, then you have to use the test ad placement that are mentioned here. For changing the app icon, right click on drawable, new, image assets, here you can change the directory in which you have kept the icon as your app icon. You can resize the app icon. Let's choose the background as white. Next, and then finish. Here we have completed. Once again, thank you for purchasing our product, and if you haven't purchased it yet, then you can find it through the link given below.